Have you ever wondered why artichoke farming is so fascinating? The plant you might think is simply an ingredient in a salad or a companion that never fails to show up in Italian dishes. Well, behind each artichoke flower, there's an interesting story and an agricultural adventure that will make you marvel. With fertile soil and a cool climate, thousands of hectares of artichoke fields have become one of the most profitable sources of income for farmers everywhere. Each year, farmers harvest up to 8 tons of artichokes per hectare, and this is no small number. With a value of up to $6 million annually, the artichoke is not just a star in agriculture, but also a king in high-end cuisine, always present in luxury restaurants or in nutritious dishes that everyone admires. Why do we care about a plant that looks nothing more than a flower bunch that got lost on its way to dinner? Because artichokes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. With antioxidant properties and high levels of vitamins, artichokes are a must-have in healthy diets. What's more, if you want to live longer and fight aging, don't worry, artichokes are your secret weapon. And if you're simply looking to cool off on a hot summer day, artichokes are also a perfect choice. To get the best artichokes, the first step is to prepare the soil and plant the seedlings, but don't think it's that simple. Modern machinery moves slowly on well-prepared dirt roads, with a mechanism at the back to dig trenches and place the seedlings into the ground with precision and efficiency. The wheels then gently press the soil around the roots to keep the plant stable and ensure it gets good contact with the earth. Now that the artichokes are planted, the job isn't done. Growing artichokes requires patience and care. After about 4 to 5 months, the artichoke flowers start to bloom, but only when the buds are still soft and haven't fully bloomed yet can the farmers harvest them. Clearly, artichoke farmers are not just workers. They are artists, tending to their plants with the same creativity and care as a sculptor shaping a masterpiece. Harvesting artichokes isn't a walk in the park. You might think that harvesting artichokes is as simple as grabbing a knife and cutting something that looks like a tomato. Nope. Harvesting artichokes requires absolute precision, and choosing the right time to harvest is crucial. If you pick them too early, the artichokes will not be tender and tasty enough. If you wait too long, the flowers will start blooming, and the quality will drop. So, artichoke farmers have to be like plant psychics, able to predict the perfect time for harvest, almost as if reading the future of the plant but through artichokes. Artichokes are not just a tasty food, they also play a huge role in the agricultural economy, providing a significant source of income for farmers. With enormous profits from growing and processing artichokes, this industry not only helps farmers get rich but also creates thousands of jobs in processing, packaging, and exporting. So, when you enjoy a dish with artichokes, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also supporting a thriving agricultural economy. From fertile soil to vast fields, the artichoke is not just a crop but a testament to patience, creativity, and a bit of human finesse. The artichoke is more than just a food, it's a part of culinary culture, an essential piece of the growing agricultural economy. And if you've ever enjoyed a delicious artichoke dish, you've already played a small part in this wonderful story. Artichokes are not only a delicious food, but also packed with incredible health benefits. In today's modern factories, thousands of tons of artichokes can be processed daily to meet the growing demand in the market. The process begins as artichokes are transported from the farms to the factory, often carrying dust, soil, and other impurities. However, with advanced technology, these elements are quickly removed, ensuring the product's quality. One of the key steps in the processing is boiling the artichokes. They are boiled for about 20 to 30 minutes at a temperature of 95 to 100 degrees Celsius, making the artichoke flesh tender while retaining its natural flavor and valuable nutritional content. This process ensures not only taste but also the preservation of all essential vitamins and minerals. After cleaning and processing, the artichokes are carefully arranged into tin cans or pristine glass jars. Each product is meticulously packed, ready to be placed on the conveyor belt to reach consumers. The precision and attention to detail in every step are crucial in maintaining the freshness and quality of the product. Artichokes are not just a delicious food, they are a true superfood rich in nutrients. They are packed with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants, helping support digestion, improve liver function, and boost the immune system. Incorporating artichokes into your daily diet will help your body maintain optimal health, protect against harmful environmental factors, and keep you strong and healthy. With these outstanding benefits, artichokes truly deserve to be an essential part of every family's menu. Be sure to follow our upcoming videos to explore more about the intricate production processes and the operations of modern processing factories. Artichokes are not just tasty, they are a secret to great health for you and your family. Artichokes are not just a delicious food, they are truly a powerhouse of essential nutrients that provide a wealth of health benefits. This remarkable vegetable is packed with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants, each playing a crucial role in maintaining and improving our overall well-being. Artichokes are often hailed as one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet, and for good reason. Rich in fiber, artichokes are incredibly beneficial for digestive health. They promote regular bowel movements, help prevent constipation, and support the growth of healthy gut bacteria. The high fiber content also aids in controlling blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight or maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Loaded with vitamin C, artichokes provide an immune-boosting boost that helps protect your body from common illnesses and infections. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, which helps keep skin firm and youthful, and it acts as a powerful antioxidant to combat free radicals in the body. In the past, when the farms had only about 100 to 200 cows, everything ran smoothly, and there was no stress. Workers could quickly get their tasks done without much hassle. But then, as the herd grew to thousands of cows, those working at the farm realized they needed an upgraded milking system to keep up with the growing demand for milk. At that point, it became clear that the milking machines couldn't keep up with the massive number of cows, and that's when advanced technology stepped in to save the day. Before any milking begins, workers perform an extremely important task, cleaning the cow's udders. This step isn't just to protect our beloved cows from feeling a little ticklish, but it's a necessary measure to ensure the milk is safe and uncontaminated, protecting the health of consumers. Some cows can produce up to 100 pounds of milk a day, enough to keep a milk-loving family stocked year-round. But don't worry, even with such massive amounts, there's never been an issue with the flow rate or the amount of milk extracted. This is likely thanks to modern technology, not just the muscle power of the workers. Once the milking is complete, the next step is a bit more spectacular. Huge pipelines transport the milk into storage tanks that hold up to 31,000 liters. Yes, 31,000 liters. It's hard to believe, but it's true. These tanks don't just store fresh, high-quality milk, they also ensure the farm can meet future production needs. If you're a milk enthusiast, these tanks might just seem like heaven on earth, but don't worry, they won't kidnap you in there. Next up is the cheese-making process, where the real magic happens. Each batch of cheese is made from approximately 2,100 liters of milk. To separate the whey from the milk, the heating process is carried out at 55 degrees Celsius. This temperature dries out the curds and extracts even more whey. The dryness of the curds must reach between 36 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius, at which point they begin to separate naturally, almost like a dramatic breakup between curds and whey. Once the cheese has taken shape, it is placed in a brine bath for about 20 days. These brine tanks are enormous and filled with a saturated salt solution. The cheese absorbs the salt, develops a firm rind, and the distinctive flavor intensifies. And let's not forget, the salt also helps preserve the cheese for a longer shelf life, so it stays fresh and delicious for longer. With all these modern technologies and processes, milk and cheese production has become a true art. And guess what? With this advanced process, not only is the milk kept fresh, but the cheese products are equally mouth-watering and nutritious. If you're a fan of milk and cheese, you'll be ready to dive into some delicious products from these modern farms. After the aging process is complete, it's time for the final inspection. And believe me, it's not as simple as a quick glance. Workers perform a special test. They gently tap the cheese block, and if it sounds clear and resonant, like a perfect musical note, it means the cheese has passed the sound check and is ready for the next step. Think of it as the cheese equivalent of a rock star passing a sound test before hitting the stage. If the cheese gives the right sound, it's confirmed. This cheese is ready for the spotlight. But the cheese's journey doesn't end with a simple tap. It's time for a fire stamping process. Yes, you heard that right. Fire. At a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, workers carefully imprint the outer rind of the cheese with important details such as its origin, production date, and an identification code. It's like branding the cheese with its own personal ID card. This ensures that every wedge of cheese is traceable, leaving no mystery about where it comes from. No cheese is a mystery cheese here. We know exactly where it's been and where it's going. Once the stamping is done, it's time for the labels. Cheese doesn't just get any old sticker slapped on it. No, it gets a fancy, professional label with a batch number, production date, expiration date, and full traceability info. It's like giving the cheese its very own VIP badge, letting consumers know exactly when it was made and how long they have to enjoy it before it's time for the cheese to retire. Now, this cheese isn't just sitting around waiting to be eaten. It's off to a special cold storage facility. But this isn't just any freezer. Oh no, it's a top-tier, highly exclusive cheese hotel where it's kept at the perfect temperature of 3 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Think of it as a luxury spa where the cheese can relax and stay fresh, awaiting its grand debut at a grocery store near you. Talk about a high-maintenance product, right? And let's not forget that cheese isn't just delicious, it's packed with all sorts of nutrition, making it the perfect food for both your taste buds and your body. High-quality protein, check. Calcium for strong bones, check. Vitamin B12 and essential minerals, you bet. Cheese is like a mini superfood wrapped in a deliciously creamy package. It's not just a treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients you can feel good about indulging in. But wait, there's more. Cheese also has a major market value. It's so beloved worldwide that it ranks as one of the most consumed dairy products. From fancy French brie to the humble cheddar on your burger, cheese has earned its place at the top of the dairy food chain. So, if you're curious about how these production lines work, or if you just want to see some behind-the-scenes action of the cheese-making process and who doesn't want to know more about how cheese becomes the star of every meal. Stay tuned for our next videos. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of cheese production. And trust me, it's going to be Gouda. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope the interesting information we shared brought you some enjoyable and valuable moments. We always strive to provide engaging content that not only teaches something new but also offers some fun and relaxation. Wishing you all happiness and good health, and don't forget to follow our upcoming videos. We look forward to seeing you again in the next one, where we will continue to explore exciting things together. Keep smiling and stay curious.